story once my grandma narrated to me. It was about a baby sparrow named Chirpy. Chirpy was a naughty bird. It was so active and lively that everyone around would call it a flying angel. Once Chirpy went on a long run, but forgotten its way back to home. It was too thirsty and tired. In search of a fresh source of water, it flies over miles. Tired, it sat down on an orchard tree. It wanted to rush to its mama, but oh, it has forgotten its way back to home. Suddenly, it heard that someone was sobbing. After a while, it found out who was it. It was the orchard tree itself. Chirpy asked the orchard tree the reason for crying, and the tree said, "Oh dear bird, I am too alone here. Once I had a lot of trees around. Fresh and clean air blew all day with lonely tunes of various birds. Then, within a few years, the trees were cut one by one, and the barren land decorated with concrete structures that started spitting poisonous liquids and gases. Now I don't get to hear any sound of birds. My fruits are pale and tasteless. Look at my trunk, it's getting weak. These humans have spoiled everything." Chirpy was too sad after listening to the tree's story. It sadly said goodbye to the tree. The tree sobbed and said it might not be existing when Chirpy would come next time to meet. "Isn't it sad what we have done to this Mother Nature? We have polluted everything, including the air we breathe in. And the saddest part is, we all know the consequences. Still, we are now here to get the situation better. We all know that we breathe in air. When air enters our body, it absorbs the oxygen present in the air. When we breathe out, the carbon dioxide comes out. When we drive vehicles, they release carbon dioxide. Even smokes from factories and other burning activities produce poisonous gases, and we proudly call it our part of development. These gases harm our environment and gradually destroy the ozone layer. Let's take an example. Last summer, we felt too much heat, going till 48 degree to 50 degrees Celsius. It is due to the effect of global warming only. Here comes the future invention we need the most. According to me, the need of an hour is to develop some technologies that absorb the poisonous gases from the atmosphere and makes it clean. There are some technologies working on it, but they are on primary level. We shall need to work hard and invent something more effective. What I feel is there should be some devices which we can set up in different areas. Those devices will absorb all the poisonous gases from the atmosphere. This way we will reduce the air pollution. To make our earth safe, I wish we will not make pollution. To make our future safe, I wish we will develop such an efficient technology that absorbs the poisonous gases from the atmosphere and make our lives more healthy and happy. Thank you.